how to set any song as iPhone ringtone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips. Here is the easiest way if your device is updated to iOS 26 or more. First, open Files on your device. Then go to the folder where you saved your audio. Tap and hold on the file. Multiple options will appear. Tap on Share. Tap 3 dots if you don't see ringtone option. Now tap on Use as ringtone. If your audio file is less than 30 seconds, then it will be set automatically. Here is the second method that works on every iPhone version. Open GarageBand app on your device. If you don't have this app, then install this from App Store. Tap on the plus icon to create a song. Select audio. Now tap on OK. Then enable this icon at the top. Tap on edit icon now. Then tap on this icon to select the folder. At the top, tap on Files. Then tap on Browse item from the Files app. Now select the audio. Tap and hold on the file and drag this to the track. Tap on the audio to select specific portion of the audio. When you are done, tap on the arrow button at the top left corner. You can see your edited audio file is here. Tap and hold on this. Now tap on Share. Select ringtone here. Rename your file if you want. Then tap on Export at the top. If you want to select this audio as ringtone instantly, select Use Audio As. Then select Standard Ringtone. Your ringtone is set. Go to the settings to check this. You can see the ringtone is set here. And that's it.